What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to download Windows 11 directly from Microsoft and create a Windows 11 installation media using your USB flash drive as a bootable USB, so you can install the Windows 11 on any laptop you want. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on the link below this video that will take you to the official Microsoft website, or you can go to Google and search download Windows 11. So click on the first Microsoft link, or click on the link in the bio below this video, so it will take you to the official Microsoft website to download the system. So as you guys can see, create Windows 11 installation media. So we're gonna click download now to download this media creation tool. Click download now again. Once that's done, click on the exe file to start the installation. Make sure you have a USB flash drive next to your laptop, because we need that. If you don't have one, you can buy one from Amazon. Just type USB flash drive Amazon and make sure it's more than 8 gig, for example like 16. And as you guys can see, there is you can use this one for like $6, which will do the job for you. So let's go ahead and accept the Microsoft terms. Now it's gonna take a few minutes. So if you want English, make sure it's English. If it's another language, click here and then search French, Spanish, or whatever you speak, and the edition should be Windows 11. So click next. And as you guys can see, if you want to install Windows 11 on another partition, you need to create and then run the media to install it. So USB flash drive, that's the one that we're gonna be using now. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the my USB flash drive with the laptop. And also make sure you format, or like you reformat the USB flash drive before you install the Windows 11, because if you don't, it's gonna wipe everything. And as you guys can see, here is my USB drive. I will just go ahead and install, but I will show you guys how to format the USB if in case you don't know. So click on the right mouse button and then click format. Once you do that, click start, and as you guys can see here, formatting will erase all data on this disk. So click OK, and format complete, which is done, which means it's done. Now we're gonna go ahead and click USB flash drive and then click next. And as you guys can see here, the files on your USB drive will be deleted, which we don't care about. And now we're gonna wait. So This process will take a few minutes. Once this is done, you're gonna be able to use the USB flash drive to install Windows 11 on any laptop you want with no issues. So that's it for this video. If you like, please share with your friends. Subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials about Windows and Mac, and also other tutorials about how to fix smartphone issues for iPhone and Android. Thank you guys again for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.